Hello friends, welcome you all on the channel of Satyadev Pandey's Talk Show. So friends, as you are already aware that this channel will give you more details about the political situation, about the business orientation of a country, and about the economies of the various countries of the world. So, friends, let us start today's video. Before starting, I would just like to tell you to hit the like button and to subscribe so that whenever I upload a new video, you are able to get the notification and you can watch it out. So, coming to today's topic, today I have selected a topic of how to start a new business, how to start a new business. So basically, the reason for me to choose this topic was a survey which I found and which I have done it on my level as well. Of 1,000 professional who are currently working in the industry, irrespective of the segments that they are working, they are very much interested in this lockdown period to start their own entrepreneur, to start their own business, but many of them are not aware. And when I asked the reason for it, it was very common. In today's scenario, you do not have any job guarantee, you do not have any job security. Had it been a business of his own or of her own, it would have been a different scenario. You could have worked out in your business with much harder efforts. So that is one of the reason which posted me to make a video on this topic. So friends, let us start for today's topic. So how to start a new business? So basically, friends, the three main major things or the major points how we can classify broadly these topic is: first is to plan. You need to have a very proper and authentic plan how and which type of business are you going to do. You need to have a good ideas, you need to have an innovative ways to work out. Second is the implementation part, which is very important. Once you have the idea and you have the vision, you have something new to give to the world, then you also need to have, or you also need to know how you implement that business, how you implement it to start in a revenue producing or profit producing company. And the third one, as I say, is manage. So friends, management is a very important issue for any segment of the uh, you know business that you go. So in management, you can come across of managing the vendors, where you are going to purchase the goods, how you are going to give the services to your customers, and who are your customers. What is it that you are going to work continuously towards making your customer happy, ensuring that your customer is happy. And once he is happy, he will be able to refer more clients, more customers to your business. So, looking these three topics into, let us go deep down into these things and find out how we can, start a new business. As such, after this lockdown, you are many of you would be interested to start his or her own business. So let me go ahead. So when I say plan, so this is a very important thing which we need to have in place before starting any kind of business. So first question is, what kind of business are you looking at? Are you looking into a service segment or are you looking into a production segment? What is it that you are basically looking towards? So this is first thing which you should be very much thorough. Second question, what I feel is capital. How much capital you have and what is the capital amount that you are going to need to start this business, which is very important, depending on which you can decide you have to take loan, you have to borrow from somebody, or as per your needs. Second is idea which you are putting in this market. You have to have a thorough survey stating that this particular idea is going to work in that particular segment or in that particular geography of this country, of this world for that matter. Then you also need to be very clear how much money you need to know, how much paid up capital is what you're going to need in the initially when you start the business, because that plays a very vital role. Then you also need to be thorough as to how many people are you going to hire when you start the company, because when any new company is started, you will be needing lesser number of people and more amount of profits to be generated. This is with every segment, this is with every segment of business, you irrespective of the field that you could select. So now coming to the capital that you have. So basically, for whenever you start any new business, you need to have a paid up capital. When I say paid up capital, this paid up capital is nothing but a set amount, a set of amount which would be needed in buying the particular site, in paying up the rental agreement, in paying the maintenance, and to get the necessary documentation done from the government. Nowadays all the things are online, so you don't have to run as such anyway, but these are certain things which you need to keep in mind so that you are able to start your business hassle free. Next point. So next point is the implementation part. So friends, as you all are aware, you have a amazing idea, fantastic idea. But if you don't have the right way to implement that idea, the right way to start that business, how would that be successful? I hope you understand. So implementation is very important. So for a good and a successful implementation, if need be arise, you could hire some people, you could hire friends if you are doing it in a partnership. So that's one thing which we really need to understand. And moreover, you need to register your company online on the Udyog Aadhaar, on the government website, and you have to ensure to mention how which category your company falls. Is it a ownership company? Is it a private company? Is it a private limited company? Or what kind of company? Or is it a joint venture? So these are certain set of companies, different categories which falls into. So these are some things which you have to be very clear, and you need to register before you start any kind of business. So all these things nowadays it is available on government website. You can go online and you can search for Udyog Aadhaar and you could register it from your own, and then you have some nominal government fees which you can pay online, and you can register your company. The third point which I have listed is, friends, manage. So once you have started your business very nicely, you have taken the set of loans, you have hired people as per your standards, as per your needs. Now you need to make sure that you manage the business very well. When I say manage, you need to make sure that you are able to get the business, you are able to make the sales. And friends, you also have to make sure that you have sufficient amount of capital in hand, so that you can purchase the good, you can maintain the supply chain management in a in a very healthy manner. And you have to make sure that the payments to the vendors should be made on time, the salaries are paid out to the employees, and then the electricity bills, the rental agreements, if there's any rents has to pay, and ensure that you have a one particular accounts person who will take care of all these nitty gritties of all these payment details. Because friends, maintaining a good ledger is very important for any kind of business. This will help you out in ensuring that your GST is filed in a proper way, and you are getting the GST returns on time, because you need to have a good finance team, a good sales team, a good marketing team, which will ensure that your business is becoming 100% compliant with every rules and regulations of the government. So friends, I hope that from this video you could realize how important it is that you need to have a right set of documents, so that you can start your business in a easy way, and you can maintain a good cash outflow, as well as you could also earn a lot of revenue. So friends, in my next video, I would like to talk upon type of businesses, and what are the businesses that is going to be successful after this lockdown, because it is very important that you start such a business which will help the people, which will create more employment. I think once you create more employment, that will help the entire population. You will That will help so many people of your country, and of your local area for that matter, which will ensure that everybody is able to give their best to make sure that the company becomes successful. So friends, with this small talk, I finish off today's topic, and I once again request you to like the button, to press the like button, and also press the subscription button, subscribe it, and press the bell icon. Whenever you press the bell icon, you will get the updates once I upload the new video. Thank you all. Bye bye.